Aspect. Aspect. Noun. A particular part, feature, or phase of something. A way in which something can be viewed or considered. Very common in academic writing to refer to one side or element of a complex topic. Example: one important aspect of the problem is the lack of funding. Or, the book examines every aspect of climate change, from causes to solutions. Assemble. Assemble. Verb. To fit together the separate component parts of something, or to bring people or things together in one place for a particular purpose. Used for physical construction, example, furniture, machines, or gathering groups, example, people, evidence. Related to assembly, noun. Example: the workers assemble the cars on the production line in under 2 hours. Or, the committee will assemble next week to discuss the new policy. Assess. Assess. Verb. To evaluate or estimate the nature, ability, or quality of something. To judge the value or importance of something. Core academic word for evaluation. For example, assess risk, performance, needs. Related to assessment, noun, and assessor, noun. Example: teachers assess students' progress through regular tests and assignments. Or, the insurance company will assess the damage to the house after the storm. Assign. Assign. Verb. To allocate or give a task, role, or resource to someone. To designate or appoint for a particular purpose. Common in work, education, and management. Example: assign homework. Assign duties. Related to assignment, noun. Example: the manager assigned the new project to the most experienced team. Or, each student was assigned a different topic for the research paper. Assist. Verb. To help someone by doing part of their work or making their task easier. More formal than help, often used in professional, medical, or technical contexts. Related: assistance, noun, assistant, noun. Example: volunteers assist the elderly with shopping and household tasks. Or, the software is designed to assist users in completing complex forms quickly. Assume. Assume. Verb. To suppose or believe something to be true without proof. To take or begin to have power or responsibility. To take on a role or appearance. Has multiple senses: suppose, most common, undertake responsibility, or adopt, example, assume a position. Related to assumption, noun. Example: we cannot assume that everyone understands the instructions without checking. Or, she will assume the role of team leader starting next month. Assure. Assure. Verb. To make someone certain or confident about something, to promise or guarantee, to tell someone confidently that something is true. Focuses on removing doubt or providing confidence, often emotional reassurance. Related to assurance, noun. Example: the doctor assured the patient that the procedure was completely safe. Or, the company assured investors that profits would increase next quarter. Attach. Attach. Verb. To fasten, join, or connect something to something else. To include or add, for example, a file or document. Physical sense, attach a rope, or digital or formal, attach a file. Related to attachment, noun. Example: please attach your CV to the email when applying for the job. Or, the label was attached to the package with strong tape. Attain. Attain. Verb. To succeed in reaching or achieving something, especially after a lot of effort. Emphasizes accomplishment or reaching a goal or level, more formal than achieve. Related to attainment, noun. Example: she attained a perfect score on the difficult entrance exam. Or, the country has attained high levels of economic growth in recent years. Attitude. Attitude. Noun. A settled way of thinking or feeling about something, a manner or disposition. Often used in psychology, education, or social contexts. Positive or negative attitude. Can refer to behavior or posture too. Example: his positive attitude helped the team stay motivated during tough times. Or, the survey measured public attitude toward environmental policies. Attribute. Attribute. Verb, noun. Verb. To regard something as being caused by or belonging to credit or ascribe. Noun. A quality or feature regarded as characteristic of someone or something. Verb equals explain origin or cause. Noun equals trait or feature. Related to attribution, noun. Example: the success of the project was attributed to excellent teamwork. Or, patience is one of her best attributes as a teacher. Author. Author. Noun, verb. The writer or creator of a book, article, or other work, to write or create something. As a noun, refers to the person responsible for a text or idea. As a verb, to produce written work, common in academic citation and research contexts. Example: the author of the study argues that climate change accelerates biodiversity loss. Or, she authored several influential papers on artificial intelligence. Authority. Authority. Noun. The power or right to give orders, make decisions, and enforce obedience. An expert or reliable source. Conveys legitimate power, institutional or expert, often used for sources in academic writing. Can be positive or neutral, hierarchical. Example: the government authority implemented new environmental regulations. Or, according to leading authorities in the field, the theory requires further testing. Automate. Automate. Verb. To make a process operate by machines or computers with little or no human involvement. Focuses on replacing manual work with technology. Frequently appears in discussions of efficiency, industry, and modern processes. Neutral to positive tone. Example: factories automated their assembly lines to increase production speed. Or, the company plans to automate data entry tasks using software. Available. Available. Adjective. Ready for use or obtainable. Accessible or free to be used. Indicates presence, readiness, or accessibility. Very common in academic texts about resources, data, or opportunities. Neutral tone. Example: relevant data were not available for the earlier period of the study. Or, Online resources are widely available to support student learning.